Hey friends, so this is the realistic way that I'm planning on becoming a millionaire. Do you want to become a rich and successful business owner like me? Well, all it takes is $99. This course has been reduced from $13,000, but it's only available in the next hour, so make sure you click the link so you can reserve your spot. I could become a fake guru and say that I have millions of dollars already and multiple successful businesses. So then I can get some clout and start charging people thousands of dollars for courses on mindset. Or I could become a millionaire the old-fashioned way, which is by developing good money habits early and investing for the long term so we can get rich slow. Boring! And I'm going to share some strategies that I'm using to become a millionaire, so long as you smash the like button on this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come on, like this video, I'm waiting. Okay, fine, I'll like the video. Okay, now we've done it, so we can move on. The reality is we can't get rich by saving money alone, especially when we are on a low income, because there's only so much money we can save. There is no way that I ever would have been able to save up a home deposit when I was earning $400 per week, because I was below the poverty line and I just had enough money to get by, let alone have enough money to save and invest. I'm going to pass this poverty line. I did it! By the way, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just sharing my own personal story and the things that I've learned in this video. And later on, I'll also be talking about investing and some potential ways that we can invest our money in order to become a millionaire later on in life. I am so glad I started investing early. Now I'm old and I'm having a comfortable retirement. So the first step to building wealth is finding ways to increase our income. We can increase our income in a number of ways, and here are some common ones. The first way is to get a high-paying job. If you already have a university degree, this is easier to do. However, if you don't have a university degree, there are still ways that you can still get a high-paying job. I have no university degree, and I was able to get a job as a marketing manager for $120,000 per year plus super. And I know web developers with no degree who are earning upwards of $150,000. Yes! So much money! And I also know salespeople and real estate agents that are earning even more money than that, since they can earn commissions from sales. They can earn a lot of money in a really short period of time. Sell me this pen. I think that the key is being able to find a profession that you really enjoy and also pays really well. And ideally a profession that pays you for your results rather than your time. Johnny, great job on that sale. But as you know, you don't get paid commissions. So because of your sale, I'll get paid more. And maybe if you're lucky, next week I'll take you out for coffee. Thanks again for the great sale. I've been meaning to upgrade my Lambo. So the second way that we can increase our income is by starting a side hustle or a side business. I used to create websites for people, and I also used to do digital marketing for clients outside of my full-time marketing job. Oh yes, that's right, the rumors are true. I did clone myself. Hello, yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, for sure. And I would be able to earn a few extra $1,000 per year by doing this. And of course, I also did start this YouTube channel, which I'm now doing full time. So you never really know where your side hustle could take you. The best case scenario is you could turn it into a full-time income. And even if you don't, it still can be really awesome to earn some extra money on the side. I know, I'm going to start a website called OnlyPans that only sells pans. And the third step is to invest in order to build passive income. Nobody has become really wealthy by leaving their cash in a savings account. Warren Buffett says, if we don't learn how to make money while we sleep, we will work until we die. I don't want to work until I die. I just want to have naps at 3 p.m. When we invest wisely to build passive income, we can literally make money by doing nothing. Making money by doing nothing? Really? We don't have to please our clients or our boss. We don't have to keep on churning out work in order to get paid. If we invest early and wisely, we don't have to work really, really hard in order to make more money. We can just let compound interest take care of it and have our money make even more money over time. Please, compound interest, work your magic. And the best part is, investing now is more accessible than ever before. Now there are micro-investing apps that allow us to invest with $5. $5? I have $5. So here are some ways that we can invest in order to become a millionaire later on in life. Let's just say, for example, we're 25 years old and we currently don't have any money invested. If we invest $500 per month or $125 per week with an 8% annual interest rate, after 40 years, we would have invested a total of $240,000, but our balance would be $1,745,000 because of this beautiful thing called compound interest. Let's just say, for example, we can invest $300 per month. After 40 years, our balance will still be over $1 million. And let's just say, for example, we can invest $1,000 per month. Then our balance will be $3.4 million. And that is the power of compound interest. And if you want to get started investing, I do have some affiliate links down in my description below, including a link to Pearler, which is a brokerage platform that you can use to invest. And that is why I invest for the long term, and I'll just let compound interest take care of all the work. Queenie, stop telling people about me. I don't want to keep working for free anymore. But of course, building wealth isn't always about earning more money. If that was the case, then why do some professional athletes who are earning millions of dollars go broke? And why do some lottery winners go bankrupt? Well, the reason is because we also need to learn how to manage our money. And the first step to that is to really evaluate our spending. Uh-oh, I really do not want to look at my spending this month. If we want to save more money, we first need to take a look at our spending habits. Tracking our expenses and really looking at our expenses from the past couple of months can really see if we are spending our money where our values are, and also if there are any areas that we can cut back on so we can save more money. And if you would like more information about how to create a budget, you can watch this video up here. And I also have a link in my description below to WeMoney, which is a free app that you can use to track your expenses. And if you sign up with my link, we both get a free $5. The second step is to save an emergency fund. An emergency fund is 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in cash. This is so that we don't have to dip into our investments at a bad time in the market, and just in case any emergencies pop up. For example, if we do lose our jobs unexpectedly, then at least we have some cash to fall back on. I hope this is enough to fall back on. The third step is to keep on tracking our expenses and to just find more ways to save more money. Whenever I am looking to purchase something, I always ask myself if I really need this item and if I will actually get use and value out of this item. And if I won't be able to get use and value out of this item, then I just won't buy it. Should I buy this? Yes, of course you need to buy this. Who cares if you'll use it? The key to being rich and successful is looking really rich and successful. Even if you go into debt, it doesn't really matter. People won't know that. No, Queenie, think about your future. You don't really need this purchase. You kind of already know the only reason you want to buy it is to impress people, but it's not actually going to make your life any better. I also like to look for value for money and cost per wear. Even if something is expensive, if I'm going to wear that item all the time, or if I'm going to use that item all the time, I still think that it may be worth it, even if it is slightly more expensive. For example, I bought this jacket for $100, but I wear it all the time. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. I have a secret code word for you, which is whistle, as in it's currently really windy at the moment and I can hear a whistle in the wind. So write me a comment below with the word whistle in it, just so I know who watched this video all the way through. I really appreciate you. And make sure you tap the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content about investing and personal finance. And I will see you in the next video. Bye! And if you want more videos, you can click on the links and click through to another video.